So yeah, it's easy to recognize. There are like 100, 150 flying around. It's, it's incredible how they share the place, how they use the same cliff. We are lucky to be here with around 3,000 parrots this year, because 20, 25 years ago, there were like just 200, 300 parrots.
The parrot that we have here is very important to us because in the country exists four kinds of parrots: the cachaña, choroy, the Andean parakeet, and the tricawe that we know him as the burrowing parakeet.
So here we are in front of the cliff where they used to build their houses. It's more than like a village, because they used to live in a groups. They can be like 700 parrots here in that cliff. And at this time of the day, they are looking for some food. And the interesting thing here, they are the only ones that they use the cliff to build their houses, their nest. And the cliff in Spanish is barranco. So they are the loro barranquero. That means the barranquero parrots, because they live in the barrancos.
I have to explain you that a park is a big area, a natural area that have resources, but that resources can maintain themselves. A reserve has these natural resources, but are endangered and need special management. Okay, and that is what happened here with the parrot, with the forest, the sclerophyll forest. People used to extract the newborn parakeets, okay, and they extract them to sell them as pets, because in that time there was a highly demand of the parakeet as a pet for the color of his feathers. It was very attractive. So what they do was go to the colonies of the parakeet, take a long stick with a hook in the top. They put the stick in the cave and take out the newborn parakeet. But the problem was that sometimes the parakeet get killed by the hook. So when they do this, or extract these newborn parakeets, they eliminate the population of 1 year, the new population of 1 year. So that's why the population of the parakeet start to reduce. In that years, the Chilean government start to create new laws that protect some fauna species. And when we start to show the problem what we have with the parakeet, because it was a problem that happens in other parts of the country, okay, they start to create new laws that protect specifically this parrot. And today, with all the works of patrol in these colonies and all the protection we give to them, we have an amount of more than 3,000. Right now we are in the colony called Los Pangues, and this is the first colony we found from the beginning of the reserve till the interior. In this place we can find, in the reproductive period, we can find around 200 and 300 parrots. Okay, so it's a big important amount to us. As you can see in these caves, you have sunlight in a lot of hours of the day, so that sunlight keeps these caves warm, and that gives the perfect conditions to the newborn parrots. From other part, this cave keep these little parrots protected from the predators, like the eagle or another birds that hunt the parakeet.
Now, in 2016, we have more than 3,000 parrots flying around here because the conservation plans here, just in this cliff, we can see around 1,000. That's a success.